What's the meaning of backward classes? Backward classes. Backward classes.
Backward classes. Backward classes. Backward classes is a term used in India to refer to historically marginalized groups that have faced social, economic, and educational disadvantages. These groups have been classified as such based on various criteria including caste, tribe, religion, and occupation. The concept of backward classes was first introduced in the Indian Constitution, which provided for affirmative action policies to help uplift these groups. Over the years, various government programs and initiatives have been implemented to improve the lives of backward classes, including reservation of seats in educational institutions and government jobs. However, the issue of identifying and classifying backward classes remains controversial and divisive.